Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw Fear from the movie Inside Out. For this drawing we're going to need colored pencils black, brown, dark pink, purple, and lilac. This drawing is 30 squares tall and 15 squares wide. Take the purple color and we're going to skip 7 squares from left to right. In the 8 squares, we're going to mark 3 horizontally. Below to the left, 1 square. Below to the left, 3 vertically. Below to the right, 1 square. Below to the right, 5 vertically. On this line, count 2 squares from top to bottom, and to the left mark 1 square. Above to the left 5 horizontally. On this line, count 2 squares from left to right and above mark 2 horizontally. From this square, go up 1 square. From this square down to the left 1 square. To the right, mark this 4 vertically. Below to the right 1. Below to the right 3 horizontally. Here 1 square. From this square down to the left 3 vertically. Below to the right 1 square. Above to the right 3 vertically. From this square, count 2 squares from left to right and below mark 2 vertically. From this square down to the right 1. Below to the right 4 vertically. On this line, count 2 from bottom to top and to the left mark 2 horizontally. Above to the left 1 square. From this square to the right 1. From this square down to the left 2 horizontally. Below to the left 1. From this square to the right 3 horizontally. below to the right 1, to the left mark 2 horizontally, from this square count 2 to the right and below mark 2 vertically, from this square down 3 vertically, below to the left 1, below to the left 3 horizontally, on this line count 2 from left to right and below mark 5 vertically, below to the right 2 vertically, above to the right 3 horizontally, below to the right 2 vertically, above to the right 5 vertically, now we're going to paint all the square we marked. And I want to invite you to become part of the Pixelados Club. All you have to do is subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now let's grab the black color from this square down 1. Down to the left 1 square. Down to the left 3 vertically. From this square down 1. Down to the right 1. Down to the right 3 vertically. From this square down to the right 7 horizontally. On this line, count 2 from left to right and above mark 2 vertically. On this line, count 2 from right to left and above mark 2 vertically. On this line, count 2 from left to right again and below mark 4 vertically. From this square to the left 1. From this square to the right 5 horizontally. On this line, count 2 from right to the left and below mark 3 vertically. Here, mark 3 horizontally. On this line, count 2 from left to right and above mark 1. Paint all the squares we marked. Now take the purple color again and skip 1 square to the right. Then mark 1. Now let's paint these areas. Take the dark pink and from this square mark 3 vertically to the left. From this square, mark 3 vertically to the right. Here, mark 1. And paint. Take the lilac color and mark 1 square here. Here, mark 1. Now paint all these areas. In the top corner, I leave you a link to my Spanish channel where there are hundreds of drawings with subtitles. Let's continue with the brown color, and here I'll mark this border. And we'll paint this entire area. And that's how our drawing turned out today, Pixelers. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here for another video. Sending you a kiss and a giant hug. I'm Paito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!